Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to accept payments, sell products or services and get paid directly from your website, enabling online payments in GoDaddy Websites Builder is very doable in 2026 as long as you have, or as long as you are on the right plan and use the built-in tools correctly. Most problems come from plan limitations, payment setup not completed, or forgetting to publish. So we will avoid all of these problems. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to enable online payments in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, make sure you are on a plan that supports payment. So online payments are not available on free or basic plans. So you need commerce or online store plan or websites plus marketing premium. Okay, so if you don't see store or payments options, upgrade first. Okay, so you have to upgrade your account. Okay, so first thing you have to do is to log into GoDaddy. Okay, you have to be on the account or your main account. So after you sign into your account, you have to click edit website. Okay, so now we are in the account. Choose the store or the that you edited before or you have created. So tap website, go to edit website, tap it, and then open commerce or store or sell. So this is where products, payments and orders live. Okay, so GoDaddy supports built-in payments providers such as credits, card, PayPal, digital wallets. So to enable payments, go to commerce. Okay, settings, payments, choose a payments provider and then connect or create your payments account. Verify business and bank details. Payments won't work until verification is completed. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.